angles. Now let's go for continuing this. I think in yesterday's class, we completely focused on transversal and parallel lines. With respect to transversal, that is when a line intersects two or more lines at a distinct points, we get different angles, right? Just once we shall recall that, then afterwards we'll move on to the actual concept. Assume that here L, N and M are the two lines which are parallel to each other. Let us draw a straight line which intersects L and M at distinct points. So total how many angles are formed? 8. At each point, 4 angles are formed. We can number them as 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next point, it is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell, what do you call 1 and 4?
Linear pair.
Adjacent angles.
Adjacent angles.
So, linear pair of angles. What do you call angle 1 and angle 3?
Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles. Angle 2, 3, 8, 5. Interior angles. 1, 4, 7, 6.
Exterior angle.
Angle 1 and
Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle.
Co-exterior angle.
co-exterior angles. What is the sum of these two?
180 degree.
What do you say about angle 2 and angle 5?
Co-interior angle.
Co-interior angles, their sum
180 degree.
180 degree. Angle 2 and angle 8.
Alternate
Interior angle.
Alternate interior angles. 3 and 5.
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior angles. What do you say about alternate interior angles with respect to parallels?
Always
They are
equal.
equal.
Vertically opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Whereas linear pair of angles sum is 180 degree.
180.
Here, any two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Then co-interior angles nothing but allied angles, their sum is 180 degree. Is it not? Not only that, co-exterior angles, their sum will also be 180 degree. So these are the possible angles that are formed with respect to a transversal and parallel lines. So based on this, we have some important problems given in the textbook. Now let's move on to them. Yesterday, very good, very good, very nice. Let's turn to music class now. Okay. Yes, after this, it was with respect to axioms related to corresponding angles, alternate interior angle. Look at them. What are these? These two are parallel lines. I call them as M and N. This is transversal T. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then corresponding angles so far will be equal. Understood? If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Not only these two corresponding angles are equal. These two corresponding angles are equal. Then these two corresponding angles are equal. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. This is the first axiom related to corresponding angles. Second one, just observe it. Here, I take two lines. I take two lines. Here, a transversal intersect two lines at distinct points. Then, each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Hence, you can say that L is parallel to M. This is second axiom related to
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle.
Very simple. If L is parallel to M, then the corresponding angles are equal.
Equal.
Each pair of corresponding angles equal. Then, if each pair of corresponding angles are equal, then line is parallel to M. Is it not simple to understand? Yes. Then, second one, alternate interior angles. Okay. Now, observe. Here, these are the two lines, L and M, such that L is parallel to M. What it is? Transverse. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. This angle equal to this and this is equal to this. Clear? Next, this is axiom 1 related to alternate interior angles. I'll take again two lines, L and M. Let me draw a transversal such that here each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Then what do you say about line?
L parallel.
L is parallel to M.
L is parallel to M.
Parallel to each other. Clear? This is axiom 2 related to alternate interior angles. Transversal intersect parallel lines, alternate angles are equal. If alternate angles are equal, lines will be parallel, or transversal intersect parallel lines. Understood? These are the two lines. It is transversal, and assume that this is 60 degree. It is also 60 degree. My question is, whether the lines are parallel? Yes. Why?
Alternate angles are equal.
Alternate interior angles are equal. Now, L and M are parallel. What is the value of x?
60 degree.
60 degree. Because alternate interior.
Parallel to M.
Alternate.
Interior angles are equal. Its x value will be 60. Clear?
Equal to L. Alternate angle.
What side heading you have written? Axioms related to corresponding angles and alternate interior angles. Right, subheading. Subheading. With respect to corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right. Then in that axiom 1. Right. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Next, axiom 2. If a transversal, intersect two lines such that each pair of corresponding angles are equal, then lines are
Parallel.
parallel. With respect to that, I'm going to draw the figure. Just to draw one beside the other. Yeah. The first line, second line, and here first line and second line. Draw transversal in both the cases. In first case, call the line as L and M. Transversal P. Naming chain one. This is P, this is Q, and this is P. Just I am showing only one pair. Okay. Here on my, if L is parallel to M, then here do angle the thought. This is A, this is B and the thought. Then angle A equal to angle B. And is right. If A equal to B, then tell that P is parallel to Q. The lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. Finish? Which is next one? Alternate interior angles. Right. Alternate interior angles. In that axiom 1, now write the statement with me. What is that? If a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Sorry. Two parallel lines. Parallel lines could come up. Then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Angles are equal. Next. Right. If a transversal intersects two lines, only two lines, such that each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Then the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. You are the two figures. And mark these angles.
So we should draw that, sir.
Yes, draw these only. First and second. Right. If L is parallel to M, then angle A equal to angle B. Here, if alternate angles A and B are equal, then P is parallel to Q. Have you drawn that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, should I explain?
Yes, sir.
Look at the book. Here, L is parallel to M. Just focus only on the first figure. L is parallel to M. Now, we can also prove this statement. That is, these alternate interior angles equal. ಅದನ್ನು prove ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So here, that is why for proving purpose, I am going to give particular name for these lines. This is line AB. This is CD. Transversal
EF.
EF ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? I'll take P, Q, R, F. Okay. PS is a transversal, and Q and R are the points of intersection. Look at the board. Here, AB is parallel to CD. Now we have to prove each pair of alternate interior angles equal. That means we have to prove that AQR is equal to DRQ. Hello? Now here I take one line. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. We have to prove angle
1 is equal to 3.
Then how can we go for 1 and 2 linear pair? Okay. 2 and 3 linear pair. Okay. See, allied angles. 2 and 3 are co-interior angles are allied angles. We sum it 180. Both are equal to 180. Euclid's axiom. 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 3. Angle 1 equal to 3. Therefore, angle AQR is equal to DRQ. That's all. This is the proof. Understood? Now write it as a theorem. Even textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ theorem ಅಂತ yes, theorem 6.2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Write the same. Right. Theorem 6.2. Theorem 6.2. I will give you this as question. Right. Prove that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines. Statement 1. Two parallel lines. Then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. What is the first step to be followed? Geometrical figure. First, drawing the appropriate geometrical figures. Right. I draw two lines which are parallel to each other. Don't waste your time. Quickly go on writing with me. Name the first line as AB, second line as C. Over. Then transversal P, Q, R. Yes. I'll go for numbering these angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pairs of interior angles are there? Alternate interior angles?
2 pairs.
Only 2 pairs. What are those? Angle 1 and angle
1
3.
and 3. 2 and 4.
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes. What is the first step? Data. Let's tell this. In ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. AB parallel to C. Please write with me. Don't be lagging. Wait. What does PS indicate? PS is a transversal. Intersect at, tell that, points Q and R. Just you may write Q and R. Next. Tell the next step. Next step.
To prove.
Right. To prove. What we have to prove? Okay. One equal to angle 3. Angle 2 equal to angle. Let us prove any one of these. Next step. By proof. Observe. Let us focus on proving angle 1 and 3 are equal. So 1 is related to 2. 3 is also related to 2. Hence let us take 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. What is 1 plus 2?
180 degree.
Is 180 degree. Reason?
Linear pair of angles.
Linear pair of angles. Call it as statement 1. 1 alpha A, B, however you want. Alpha number. Alpha. Greek letter use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Next. What do you say about 2 and 3? 180 degree. Reason? Co-interior angles. Call it as beta. From alpha and beta and Euclid's axiom. Continue.
Over, sir.
Develop cycle. From alpha and beta and Euclid's axiom. Prithvi, tell how to write. Afraid? From alpha and beta, both are equal to 180 degrees. How do you write the next step?
Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3.
ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ equal ಇದೆ. Hence, this will also be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Here, here. Angle 2 get cancelled. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 3, which is angle 1. Wait. Which is angle 1?
AQR.
Angle AQR.
DRQ. DRQ.
DRQ. Hence it is proved. Similarly, we can also prove angle 2 and 4. So directly I'll write PQR is equal to PRQ. Wait, I was explaining that you are writing it. Similarly, angle PQR is equal to PRQ. Two. Huh? You see the symbol for the first time? Observe. What is the symbol? Then symbol. It is
Parallel. Exactly.
equal. It is similarly. Observe. One minute.
Congruent.
Congruent.
Who is the Congress? Observe. It is congruent, see, but this is not con. It is similar. Then
Almost equal to.
don't tell unwanted things.
Similarly,
Approximate value. You'll write down the symbol. Huh? You have already come across these.
Therefore. Because.
Cos. Got it? Yes, solution is completed or solution has been found out. Now problem solve x equal to 5 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. Then you put like this. Means the problem is over. What it? For languages we use dot for Kannada and English. This is called full stop. Full stop. In Hindi, just we put a line. In mathematics, just 2/line. Athwa double slash. Here it is. Okay, now we are moving to another thing. Right. Theorem 6.3. Theorem 6.3. Listen here. Theorem 6.3. It is the converse of 6.2. That is converse of alternate interior angles. Do you know what is converse?
Ulta sir. Reverse order.
It is the statement which is obtained by changing the order of data and to prove. Data irodu to prove agbaraitu. To prove irodu data agbaraitu. And that statement is called converse of the theorem. Here, what was the in 6.2? What was given? Two parallel. If transversal intersect two parallel lines, then alternate interior angles are equal. Again, alternate interior angles are equal. Then the lines are parallel. Got it? Prove that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, comma, then the lines are parallel. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the lines are parallel. Here also, what is the first step? Geometrical figure. Draw. What is the geometrical figure? Two parallel lines and one transverse. Draw. These are the two parallels and it is transverse. Okay, you are not learn to follow the teacher. Please do remember, if you are a good listener, you will be a good learner. Correct. When the teacher is giving the information, first your attention to hear that. Then after that, you can go for writing. Okay. Here, two lines are there. Name these lines. AB is first line. Mark it with me. CD is the second line. Then P, Q, R. Yes. What about P and yes? Q and R. Okay. They have given alternate interior angles. Whether they are equal or not. Interior angles are equal. Just to show them. Over. Afrin, I asked you over. You did not respond. You did not respond at the time I asked. if you do not listen the teacher when they are giving the information, you know how it happens? Suppose you are think that you are watching a movie. You are watching a movie. The communication will be moving faster. Picture will come late. But it, or else picture will move fast. Communication will be late. Do you feel interest? No. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. Both should go hand in hand. Then only it will be interesting. Yes, you can try it later. What do you say about A, B and CD? You are A, B and CD are just two lines. ಅವರೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ. Then copy this data AB and CD and use an auxiliary verb and its conjunction are. Yeah, AB and CD are two lines. Next, of course, PS is a transverse, intersects at Q and R. Now right, PS is a transversal. Prithvi, tall fellows should not sit backside. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, I'll expect you to come and sit in first bench. Ora. Next. No. Alternate interior angles equal to avare kottibididare. So I should write AQR. Right. Angle AQR is equal to angle BRQ. What is the next step? To prove. Right. To prove. Next up. You have to use only one pen for writing the solution. After question matra one color and remaining one color. Illi ನೀವು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 2, 2, 3 colors use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it takes time, it kills your time. Okay, what we are going to prove? Lines are parallel means AB parallel to CD, right? AB parallel to CD. Hemant, the next step. Prove. Sit down. Now you will stop writing. Just look at it. Look at the book. We know that we are going to prove that AB parallel to CD with respect to axiom, you come across the corresponding angles. If the corresponding angles are equal, lines will be parallel. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು alternative angles ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. You should take corresponding angles because that is known. Look at it. Now we have to show the corresponding angles are equal. I go for numbering like this. It is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Follow? What is 1 and 2? Equal because. Next. 2 and 3.
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. 1 equal to 2, 2 equal to 3, then 1 equal to 3. Reason.
Alternate material angles.
Euclid's axiom. Euclid's axiom. Dhanush, look at the board. These are the two things equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Two different angles equal to the same angle. Hence, the angles are equal to one another. It is
One
according to Euclid's
axiom.
what is angle 1? Angle 3? We are.
VR.
How do you write the angle 1 is equal to angle 2, sir? We don't know lines and angles. How do you write?
Observe. What are these lines?
Intersecting line.
How many angles are formed?
4.
Equal 1 and 3.
Vertically opposite angles.
Your lines are intersecting. What I have written 2 equal to 3. Is it possible?
What did you ask, sir?
We can write, of course, 1 equal to 2. Further. Wait. What has been given? Angle 1 equal to 3, right? Please tell, are you understanding or not? First, we have taken given angles. Angle 1 equal to 3. Then we have taken vertically opposite angles. 1 equal to 2. 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 3. Then 2 equal to 3. What are these? If the corresponding angles are equal, now if AB parallel to CD, is it acceptable or acceptable? Okay. Now we go for line. You write like this only? Even proof. I'll give you just 1 minute. Between 1 minute, you have to complete the proof. With reason and all. Write the proof yourself. With all the logical steps, with suitable reasons.
Where you went, sir?
Yes, your 1 minute is Move on. Now it is my turn. Stop your activities.
Okay.
Stop your activities. Here are written. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Reason is
Vertically up.
vertically opposite angles. Don't write in abbreviated form. You may write in short form. VOA ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ accept ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ maths ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You can write vertically opposite angles. Don't poke your nose into others' matter. Just focus it. Next. One equal to alternate interior angles. It is from that out. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Next. I call it as statement 1. This is statement 2. 2 equal to 3. ಅದನ್ನ reason ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಥವಾ from 1 and 2 and Euclid's axiom. Like this also you can write. From 1 and 2
This is
and Euclid's axiom. Observe. From 1 and 2 and Euclid's axiom. Is it possible to use the conjunction and 2 times in a sentence? Where is in ನೋಡಿ 2 sentences ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ from 1 and 2 and Euclid's axiom, so they are connected, can be used. Yes. From 1 and 2 and Euclid's axiom, you can write angle 2 equal to angle 3. Sai Gaurav, you are not concentrating. Angle 2 equal to 3. 2 equal to 3. This means
therefore
corresponding angles are equal. Hence,
AB is parallel to C.
AB parallel to C. The reason is full statement ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯೇನಪ್ಪ? Okay, that is fine. That is fine. Even wait.
The lines are parallel when corresponding angles are equal.
Exam 1, 2, 3 ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Exam 1 ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. But it is related to corresponding angles axiom. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Right. Corresponding angles axiom. So, corresponding angles axiom. So these are the steps should be there in full. 6.3, the theorem is over. Next it is 6.4. Next, theorem 6.4. Capital Z. Tell your name. Read them now. Capital Z. Capital Z. पहले कौन तेरे बड़ा हुआ? ये ना capital Z. Just I told you to tap, but you are dancing. Capital Z. Capital Z. Nicely. Nicely. your action, which is somewhat different. It's not in good action, you just tap it. Observe. Observe it. Again, with respect to transversal and parallel lines. Don't copy anything. Assume that a transversal has intersected two parallel lines. A transversal intersected two parallel lines. Some angles are formed on the same side within the parallel. What do you call this?
Blind angle.
What is that sum?
180 degree.
What do you call these angles?
Co-interior angle.
Right.
Co-interior angle.
They are supplementary. Understood? Now we are going to prove this. Anybody want to tell the statement related to this?
Yes, sir.
Achit, hold the book. Wait. It's something. Resume something. Wait. That's it. Read that.
If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles in the same
Sit down. The statement is like this. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles formed on the same side of the transversal are
Each
supplementary.
supplement.
Followed? But example textbook kodanda. Yes, right. 6.4. It is better to avoid your colloquial language. Avoid your colloquial language. Your way of communication, it should be different when you are in the class, when you are outside, when you are with close friends, when you are with your parents. Will it be same always? So that is a skill of communication. Because somebody was using lay like that. Don't use that. Right. Do that if a transversal dash. Arjun dash.
No, sir. Intersect.
Intersects two parallel lines. Wait. Wait. Only a second.
Then each.
If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then very good. Each pair of interior angles
On this.
on the same side of the transversal.
Each supplement.
Side of a transversal is supplement.
So you can directly write each pair of co-interior angles is supplement.
You can write like that also. Each pair of allied angles is supplement. Hangu baribu. Tell the first step.
Geometrical figure.
draw the geometrical figure. Rachit, can which geometrical figure should be drawn? Very good. Very good. Let us name these lines. AB. Next line, CD. How these are? Parallel. Then P, Q, R, S. What is PS? Q and R?
Point of
Then what do you call angle 1 and 2? Interior angle.
Co-interior or collide angle.
Allied angle. Interior angle. But we have to show the sum is 180. Right, Tata. AB is parallel to C. Please do follow my words. In data, write only this one. AB parallel to C. PF is a transverse. Yes. PS is a transversal intersect at Q and R. Next. Angle 1 and angle 2 are interior angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are inferior angles. Enough? To prove what we have to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. You can also write it as DQR plus DRQ equal to 180. I made it to feel comfortable by numbering the angles. Okay, three letters are you may get bit confused. Okay, number are easy. Angle 1 and 2 is equal to 180. Even these angles also 3 and 4 and the 3 plus 4 180. That is all. You can name. You can go for numbering only. ಈಗ you will draw the figure. ಈಗ question paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ number 1 and 2 ಹಾಕಿ solution ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it won't be accepted. Then you have to redraw the figure. Go for numbering the angles. Now let's move on to proof. Stop writing and observe. We have to show angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180. Look at the book. Whether AB parallel to CD?
Yes, sir.
We know the relationship between 1 and 2. 1 and 4. Linear pair of angles. Then how do you get relationship? Angle 1 plus angle 4. 180. Then wait, what do you say about 4 and 2? Alternate interior. What is the relationship?
4 is equal to angle 4
Are
is
equal.
Angle 2.
Angle 2.
I call it as statement 1.
Equation 1 and equation 2.
Further. From 1 and 2 and Euclid's axiom.
You have to transfer angle 1 to right hand side. Angle 4 is equal to 180 minus angle 1.
angle 2 is equal to 180 minus angle 1.
Angle 4 equal to 180 minus angle 1. Then both will be
Angle 2 is equal to
equal.
angle 1.
Angle 4 equal to angle 4. Then you can go for using Euclid's axiom. Other than that, anything? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Sir, 4 and 4 gives.
Substitute statement 2 in statement 1.
Statement 1.
So angle 4 ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Angle 2. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. Over. Followed? Will you go for using Euclid's or substitution? Both will come. Euclid's ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ Euclid's axiom ಇದು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Angle 4 equal to 180 degree minus angle 1. Right. Substitute statement 2 in statement 1. Yes, completed with full information. 1 minute. You are having a super minute. Within that it should be finished. To complete the proof with all information. All information. Hola. Aditya Praveen Alvekar.
Yes, sir.
Have you written
Yes, sir.
with full information?
Yes, full proof, sir.
Ah, yes.
No, sir. Sir, you told to write, sir.
Yeah. So I have given you 1 minute. In 1 minute, you have to complete the proof with all information.
Okay, sir. I couldn't hear, sir. I didn't.
Is it? Ritu, have you completed? Ranjan or Pisale? Salik? Hardy? Kannada Suppler? Sanjana ji? Prashast? Prashast?
Yes, sir.
Observe. Lakshmi, could you tell? Here, A number is there. Okay. And further. Full in proof, all the information should be there. Statement, reasons, everything should be there.
The reason since angle 4 is equal to angle 2.
Alternate interior angles. That's all. It's very good. Because in geometry for reasoning also marks will be considered. I have noticed that only one student has given the reason out of this. It's like, wait. Right, angle 1 is nothing but BQR. BQR plus angle 2, it is DRQ. DRQ is equal to 180. Right, and it is nice. In 1 minute is there, listen to me. Every Thursday, you all know that online performance will be conducted, but yesterday I have not informed you, so that this performance test will be conducted tomorrow. Tomorrow evening as usual from 7 to 7:40. No. It is
Sir,
in Google
sir,
form.
chapter name.
Syllabus, sir.
Sir, syllabus.
Sir, syllabus.
Lines and angles.
Only lines and angles.
Sir, timings. Sir, timing.
Laws of motion, sir.
Okay, with this, let us stop the class.
Thank you, sir.